Now, a TCP machine is sending windows of size 65,535 bytes, which means we are sending one window of size these many bytes in one round trip time. Okay, so this is the amount of data that is being sent in one round trip time over a 1 Gbps channel, which means bandwidth available is 1 Gbps, but the amount of data we are sending is 65,535, and the round trip time is 10 milliseconds is one way delay, which means propagation delay is 10 milliseconds, therefore round trip time is 20 milliseconds. Okay, so in 20 milliseconds we are able to send this much amount of data. Then what is that they are asking is, what is the maximum throughput available, achievable, and what is the line efficiency? So we know that the throughput in computer sciences, computer networks, is the number of bits that are effectively sent per second. So throughput is nothing but bits per second. How many bits are sent in what time? See this, in order to send a window size is 65,535 bytes which is nothing but 65,535 into 8 bits. These many bits are sent in 20 milliseconds. 20 milliseconds. Okay, therefore the number of bits sent per second is 65535 into 8 divided by 20 milliseconds. Then I got this much, which is nothing but 26.214 Mbps, which means I don't care how much bandwidth is available, I am just using it at 26 millisecond Mbps. That is how much, that is how I am sending the window. The reason is I will be sending one window and waiting for the acknowledgement before sending the next window, but the window size is going to be only this, so I am using only the throughput I am achieving, the maximum throughput achievable is 26 Mbps, 26 point something Mbps. Then what is efficiency? Efficiency is nothing but out of the bandwidth how much are you utilizing, or you already know that throughput equal to efficiency into bandwidth. You already know that formula, right? Throughput equal to efficiency into bandwidth. Therefore from that you can find out efficiency. You know already throughput and you know the bandwidth, you divide it. Then I found out that the efficiency is 2.6%. Therefore the answer for this question is 2.6%. The reason is, even though the bandwidth is 1 Gbps, which means 10 power 9 bits per second, I am using it only at this rate. Therefore the efficiency is now 2.6%, right? The answer is this.